You're gonna lay out your chicken on the grill. Make sure you add salt and pepper. After that, we're gonna baste it with barbecue sauce. You're also gonna add in some red onions and remove when you get a nice char on both sides. Next up, you're gonna get your grill nice and hot. You wanna aim for about 600 degrees. This is gonna make it super crispy, but it's also gonna give it a nice chewiness. We got our chicken and red onions. We got nice grill marks on the chicken and some nice char on the red onions. Now we're gonna shred this chicken up. You're gonna need 2 forks. It's the best way to shred. Perfectly cooked chicken, nice and juicy, super, super saucy, a lot of barbecue. Perfect. There is no such thing as too much cheese. Lay out your rolled pizza dough, and then we're gonna brush it generously with some olive oil. Close your lid, cook it for a few minutes. You should see some nice bubbles. After that, we're gonna add in some barbecue sauce, chicken, onions, jalapenos, and cheese. Spread the melted cheese, and you wanna make sure everything is well incorporated. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks so good. Now we're gonna garnish with some green onion. Let's give this bad boy a try. Look at that pizza. Ooh. Oh, sweet, salty. Look at all that barbecue sauce. Oh my gosh, this is so good. That is fire. Oh. It's spicy, it's sweet. You got some nice barbecue sauce on there, chicken, the green onions, the jalapenos really give it a good kick. It's a messy one, but 10 out of 10. This is some next level pizza. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Ellie, and see you next time. Cheers.